the V32, it addresses the following concerns I had from clients that trade the classic M3 trade. The concerns with the classic M3 trade was, it's hard to trade with smaller accounts because we're dealing with WM and incremental adjustments and all that other stuff. Well, this is going to be easily traded with small accounts. Another concern was trade overlap. I know it gets complicated when you're trading 3, 4, 5 different expiration cycles in some trades at the same time, and then the market does something crazy and you end up getting hit in more than one trade. So there's no trade overlap, so you don't have that issue. There's fewer adjustments in a classic M3. We have a more defined rule structure than a classic M3, right? So if you remember, the classic M3 was designed as a learning process. This is more set up as a quote-unquote trade. We have better performance in uptrending markets than with an M3. We have better performance in down-up whipsaws. We have minimal sensitivity to analytical software, all of which were concerns with the classic M3 trade.